Hey, what's up guys, this is the Orange Hustler and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will make a honest review about the FaceDrip. So basically I will show you what is the FaceDrip, the sales page, the live demo, the pros and cons, and a lot of information you need to know about this wonderful product. Without any further, let's get started. So first, what is FaceDrip? FaceDrip is an all-in-one AI-powered platform that allows users to create, host, market, and even sell interactive videos and more less than 60 seconds. Now I will show you some features of the FaceDrip. First, record and upload videos. Whether your subscribers want to record with webcam or screen record, upload from the desktop, record from third-party apps, or import videos directly from YouTube, it's never been easier to create and share videos that get results. Number 2. Convert with videos. Now replace boring plain text and email messages with personalized video messages. FaceDrip enables you to add interactive call to action buttons in your video to make your prospects take the action that you want them to do. Number 3. Sell with videos. FaceDrip comes with a futuristic page builder that enables you to high conversion sales page that deliver personalized experiences to your prospects. And just one click, add interactive call to action buttons to your video to let your prospects buy directly from your video page. Number 4. Run targeted interactive videos campaigns. Record and run video email or video SMS campaigns to increase your open rates and click-through rates by over 300%. Use FaceDrip to also record personalized video campaign to deliver a personalized experience to your prospects. Number 4. Streamlined video marketing. FaceDrip enhance your video marketing by letting viewers take the action that you desire them to with relevant call to actions such as schedule a demo button, visit your website button, etc. You can also create and send personalized trackable video messages through popular third-party platforms such as Gmail, Outlook, LinkedIn, SMS, and more. Autoresponders such as Aweber, ActiveCampaign, and more and more. And number 6. Video communication. FaceDrip makes it really easy to record your screen on the go. You can quickly record any type of video, be it product videos or how to explain videos or e-learning, record them all with easy. You can also request video replies from your viewers and allow your customers to share their experience with your video testimonials. And number 7. Organize your brands into independent workspace. An agency, freelance, or local marketer rendering services to different clients says hello to the new advanced workspace that organizes your different client into a workspace. Just log into your account and select the workspace you want to work from. They are all independent of one another. Number 8. Accept appointments storage from your videos. Say goodbye to back and forth email trying to book simple appointments. You can now create public booking links and manage your scheduling with Calendly, Calify, Booklickables, and etc. Number 9. Build a highly targeted list. FaceDrip provides you the intelligence forms and CTAs to create highly targeted and high-paying leads that are ready to buy from you. Number 10. Drive marketing decisions. Nurture leads with target follow-up content based on users' preference and engagement data. So basically, this is the product from inside. Like you see, the products are simple and easy to use and have a simple interface. Like you see the dashboard, the videos, the campaign, the messaging, the leads, and more. The step number 1 is add a video. So basically you can click at this bottom here. After you can create a video. So this is the page of the file upload. You can hear the camera, the record screen, the YouTube, Dropbox, and more. Choose your video from your computer and click at upload. Step number 2. Customize your video. So basically this is the columns of your editing video, like design the details, analytics, video replies, the privacy, This is the preview and this is the video here. Basically, you can add your intro. So like you see, the intro has added to the video you want. Now let's add the outro, sorry, like the first one, which is the intro, with simple and easy steps. So like you see, this is the intro of the video. Now let's see the outro of the video himself. And voila, so basically this is the outro we just added. And for the trimming and for the thumbnails, you can also customize everything in the video you want. And for the design tab, also you can create a design or call to action. Like you see, this is the design player. So displaying company logo and video player, you can choose everything. Everything is customizable in this section. You can choose your colors. So here you can search for any images you need to add it to your video. And for design call to action, you can use the same color. Sorry. And for the details, you can add a description, add tags, call to action. So basically you have the phone number, the chat, the video reply, the form, external form, documents, and a lot of call to actions options. Also here you can add your playlist. So like you see, this is the call to action buttons you just added to your video. It's really simple and easy to use. And for the analytics, you can see all the analytics of your video power here. As well as the video stays in the activity. And for the video replies, And for the privacy, you can choose the option you want your video to go on which, like feature, shareable and private. Step number 3 is share your video. You can share your video basically just click at the link here. Also you can choose the direct email, the social, which is the social media accounts, the embed, the widget, and basically the QR code. Also in the campaign, this is the email section. You can just create an email campaign. Also you can create designs and videos to your customers on the on your workspace. And there is a lot of informations and products and options you need to know and must use, of course, in your business, and it will help you a lot on your business. So basically guys, this is the product from inside. Like you see, it's easy and simple to use, and I am sure you will like it. And for the price, so basically the FaceDrip today price is only $35 one-time pay, no monthly fees. Hopefully, with my honest truth about the FaceDrip reviews, I really hope it did help you with your buying decision. I understand this decision of checking out $47 one-time price is not simply made by this investment, is profitable and for a switchable business, and your investment is guaranteed safely thanks to the 30 days refund without any questions asked. And FaceDrip is not any hype, but it is legit product in which allows you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers and create unlimited videos with unlimited call to action buttons without paying a monthly fees, just one-time pay, no monthly fees. Thank you guys for watching this video. Of course, the link of the FaceDrip, you will get it in the description below. I will much appreciate it if you use my link, because I will get a small commission. Thank you so much for watching this FaceDrip review. This system is coming out with many bonuses for the early bird. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.